Blowing hot air. No, but for real, guys, I'll keep it short. Okay, let me tell you a story, alright? A story of how I worked a total of 2 hours and made $200. See, guys, I know some things. I might even be a semi expert at like a couple of things, alright? But that knowledge is extremely valuable to some people, alright? And that's what I did. I just talked. And I'm betting you guys are all experts at like at least one thing, alright? It could be even playing Fortnite, alright? You never know. Right? So what you gotta do is you've gotta find somebody who wants to know what you already know, and you've gotta get them to give you money to tell you that information. It's called consulting. So I got a client, right? A small business person, okay? And an e-commerce business, all right? Really tiny right now, all right? And I happen to know a thing or two about e-commerce businesses, having owned one myself for a while and working for a couple. Um, so what I did is I got in touch with this person and basically let them. They want to know how to make their business more successful, right? I know these things, and it's just real, pretty basic stuff about e-commerce, but they're just absolutely clueless because they just haven't kept up with the times, right? So what I did is I had two meetings after hours. Okay, one was 1.5 hours long, the other was a half an hour long. Okay, and for this service, I was paid $200. Okay, and all I had to do was sit there and regurgitate what I already knew, which is just nothing for me, but it's like liquid gold's flowing out of my mouth for them. I'm 18 years old. Okay, and I'm doing it. All right, and you can too, because I guarantee you that you know something, all right? Something you're really, really good at, all right? Something you're just absolutely fascinated with and just know everything about, okay? And there's somebody out there that wants to know exactly the things that you know, and they'll pay you for them. Lots. They'll pay you lots of money just to learn these things. Right? It's insane. Hopefully it's something related to business because you'll make a lot more. But heck, you could consult anybody. You could consult a D-League team on how to play Fortnite better. I mean, it doesn't matter what it is. Uh, it's nuts. And all you got to do is just spit hot air, and make money. It's craziness, but it's absolutely phenomenal at the same time. So there you go. You need to go out. You need to identify what you're real good at, what you know a lot about, and you need to go out and find somebody that wants to know exactly what you want to know or what you already know, and you have to convince them that the hot air that comes out of your mouth is worth cold hard cash. That's it. That's it. You don't have to do anything except spit hot air like a lawyer. So now you're making $100 an hour. All right. Go out into the world with your newfound opportunity and start raking it in. All right. There you guys go. Make sure to like if you liked, comment and subscribe for more. I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Thanks. Bye.